Will the skills students learn become outdated soon? Can the students get engineering jobs after graduation? How do teachers improve the quality of education? This platform system is inadequate for current technical applications. GW Instek has heard your concerns.
Experimental equipment aligned with industry standards.
Conducting research experiments. Circuit design verification. Enhancing academic reputation. GW Instek defines educational industry solutions with you.